Hello guys, today I have got REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to rename them in your iPhone. So, at first you need to open your phone settings. Here, now enter Bluetooth. Tap this info icon near your REDMI Buds and here select name. Here we can do everything we just want, modify our name, even add emotes, add ASCII, something like, some special marks. And if you are done, you can just tap this tick icon to confirm. It's either OK or tick icon depending on your iOS version. I know that most users use iOS 18 till today, so on your phone it will be the OK label, but here I've got tick icon. If you want to bring back your name to the default one, you can tap this X right here near your name and this tick right here. Goodbye.